Ever wonder how Barcelona football jerseys are made? Let's explore the incredible factory process behind every shirt. Everything starts with tiny polyester pellets, the primary material that will become lightweight, breathable, and incredibly durable football jerseys. These polyester pellets are melted at high temperature into the bath. The polyester melts at extremely high temperatures before passing through microscopic holes to form thousands of ultra-fine synthetic fibers. These fresh fibers are stretched to dramatically improve their strength, flexibility, and long-term durability before spinning begins. The fibers are stretched for strength before being spun into durable yarn cones ready for fabric production. Advanced knitting machines weave lightweight, breathable fabric designed for maximum comfort and athletic performance.
These white jersey fabric emerged into an intense dark blue, a brighter blue, and a rich garnet red dye of jet dyeing machine.
Designers prepare detailed tech packs, including artwork, colors, patterns, sizes, and precise logo positioning. Next, digital printers create vibrant jersey graphics using high-quality ecological sublimation inks for lasting color. Extreme heat permanently fuses every design into the fabric, preventing cracking, fading, or peeling over time. Laser cutters precisely shape every jersey panel while sealing edges to prevent unwanted fabric fraying. Each perfectly cut piece is carefully sorted before skilled operators begin assembling the complete football jersey. Flat lock stitching creates smooth seams that reduce friction and keep players comfortable throughout every match. Collars, labels, neck tape, and finishing trims are added to complete the professional jersey appearance. Every jersey passes strict inspections for accurate sizing, flawless printing, durable seams, and flexible performance. Approved jerseys are carefully pressed, folded, packaged, and prepared for worldwide delivery to passionate football fans. From raw polyester to iconic matchwear, every Barcelona-inspired jersey showcases precision, innovation, and world-class craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.